Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger an SMS AI agent using Java. By the end of this video, you'll have an SMS AI agent for payment reminders that your Java application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Once you've logged in, get started by building your AI agent in a single click. Under Build Your First Use Case, select No-Code Conversational Agents. When Vibe Agent screen launches, you can either pick your use case from the templates below, or alternatively, you can simply type your prompt to define what you want the AI agent to do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered SMS AI agent that supports payment-related reminders and follow-up questions. The agent should proactively notify users about upcoming or overdue payments, answer common questions about due dates, minimum payments, and late fees, and guide users on the next steps clearly. Hit Enter to build the flow. And once ready, click Publish to activate your SMS agent. Now open the API Request Trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a payment reminder event occurs. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select Java. Plivo generates a ready-made Java snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone JavaScript or from within your application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a payment is due or overdue. Now let's test it locally. Paste the Java snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your SMS AI agent. Now let's see how it works. As soon as a payment reminder event is triggered, the user automatically receives an SMS on their phone. And that's it. Your SMS AI agent for payment reminders is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Java application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and send timely payment reminders automatically using Plivo.